Hello there, welcome to Mr. Saxon. So today we're going to start about differences of what I like or what I don't like from iOS during 1 week versus Android. Today the topic is the keyboard. So how you write, how you edit, how you do things with Android versus iPhone. I need to say iPhone is a piece of crap, literally. So you can finish the video and that it is. It's crap. Now I'm going to explain why. So the point is, with Android, every time you put the finger and you move it wherever is the cursor, it's going exactly what it is. It's not going to the back of the word, to the front of the word. It's not going to go in somewhere random places. So the touch are precise. Don't care which phone you have. If you move the cursor and you let it in the middle of one, you have 3 letters and you let it exactly here, it's going to stop there. And then you can remove, edit, or do whatever. In iPhone, most of the times what you need to do is go into the back of the text, then delete that part, and then add the deleted part. For example, you're going to put plus, and you forgot to put the L, so you put push. So you need to go to the S, delete S, U, and then you add the L, U, S. For example, with Android, no, you just go to in between the P and the U, pop, and click the L, and then again, you move the finger out, and go. The same for selections. Selections is a piece of crap. The point, a lot of people say, yeah, well, you can install the Gboard, keyboard. So you can install the Google keyboard. Yes, I did that and improved it a bit. But what I'm complaining is with the Gboard. So the problem is not the Google keyboard. The problem is the iPhone, how they handle that precise movements. They improve it now that at least you have a little loop head and it's improving where you are and you can see a bit more, but nothing to do how it's built in Android. I'm so sorry, Android is far superior in that. And please, if you found something different, let me know. I need to say I was using the iPhone 13 Pro. So it's a modern phone, it's using everything, all the modern features and everything. So, and it's a 4 years old mobile phone. So that is nothing to do with that it's old or not. So let's see. So see you in the comments and let me know if I'm right, I'm not, and why. And remember,
welcome to Mr. Saxon.
Ciao.